Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add Pinterest Save It button to Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, just head over to the New tab and then search for apps at shopify.com. Now on the search bar that appear, just head over and then search in here per Pin It. So let's search for this particular app, and then you should be able to see in here some search results. So you can choose the ones that you think is applicable, but for you, I recommend you to do this pin it right here, Pinterest Save button. It's actually free and should be able to actually edit it out. So for me, I'll just click on this and then click on this install button. Then once you have clicked on this will open a new tab that will enable you to install it. But first, it will ask access for you. So just head over and then click on the install button that will appear on this right here. So let's just wait for that. So this what the install button looks like. Click on this install button. Then after you have done that, this should be able to install this application to your dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Head over and scroll down, click on this Customize app. Once you have clicked on this Customize app, you should be able to see the actual dashboard of this Pin It app. And then this will open this pop-up window right here. So click on this Enable right here and make sure that it's been enabled on your store. Right now, it's been disabled. So we have these 4 steps. Click on Next right here. Click on this Go to Online Store. And then this will open my online store, which is my Shopify editor. And then this will also open the app embeds on my Shopify editor. So this will load like this. And once it's done, you should be able to see this app embeds right here. As you can see, it's been turned on. Head over and click on the save icon right here. And then once it's been saved, head back to the previous tab. Click on the next button. And in here, you can open your store and click on the Pinterest Pin It Save button. So click on this Open Store right here. And then this will open a new window. And once it's been opened, you should be able to see this. And in here, you can click the Pin It button that test the function. So click on Got It. And once you have in here a Pin It or an actual image from the Pinterest, you should be able to see the Pin It option right here. Once you have done that, click on the next option and then just close this one. After that, you can actually edit out the settings for this one. Once you're done with everything, just click on the save icon right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then please leave a like below or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.